Yours Home and Garden. Welcome to the Yours Home and Garden Show. Come on, everyone. Seasoning the chicken for curry chicken. Curry seasoning with carrots, onions, pepper, and scallions. And this is real jerk season. Now the chicken is being pre-cooked. Just a little brown to the chicken, that's all you need. It's been pre-cooked. So this is about as brown as you want the chicken. This is our pre-cooked color, okay? Just light golden brown, okay? And then we're gonna start going to the next level on this delicious curry chicken. So I placed a second set of chicken in here. This is a really huge pan. This is your biggest pan, bigger size pan. So another set of chicken is in here. Actually, I pushed the first set to the side, then left the second set brown, and now they're all brown. And now we're going to go to the next step of cooking our beautiful curry chicken. Okay, I'm now adding the herbs to the curry chicken. This is our next step I was telling you about. And of course, I told you before, the herbs are scallions, carrots, onions, and we have some pepper in here also. Okay, so just the herbs. And it's safe to say you can also sprinkle some more curry chicken, curry sauce over here. Okay, not too much. We want to keep that flavor. Okay, here we go. And this is our end product of curry chicken. Thank you for joining us. Until next time.